The 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, universal garage door opener, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.